If Airbnb is going well for you, click off this video. Hi, I'm Matt Barge, hospitality investor and operator. I started doing Airbnb 7 years ago in 2017, and I've explored every iteration of the business model, and I can tell you it's terribly flawed and wrong. That all changed when I transitioned to hotels. What if I could tell you you could pay a quarter of the price per door? If you'd be allowed to operate no matter the regulation, in fact, regulation works for you, and the more you optimize your property, the more your property is worth. What would you want to say? We are going to cover how to find these properties, how to underwrite them, how to finance them, how to renovate them, how to vet and assemble your team, and how to launch and operate them. We're going to give you all the tools and tricks and knowledge that I've accumulated over years of experience built into one program where you can go from zero to hero in the most efficient path possible. So if this sounds like something you want to learn more about, follow us and get in touch with us today.